Breaks. This is the 2020 Certified Football Single Box break that was posted on eBay. Team auctions ended today at 9:14. Break was I think time for 5:50 Pacific Standard Time, which it's a couple minutes after that. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Thank you all for joining, and more importantly, thank you all for paying promptly so that we don't have to sit and wait around, and we can get this break going on time. So thank you everybody who got into the break. So if my chair would cooperate here, we'll go ahead and get started. One box of 2020 Certified Football. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. There's a thick pack. One. Oh man. It's gonna make it tough on me. Two. Don't forget to keep checking back for more breaks. I'll keep posting them. I got a couple that'll probably start tomorrow, end on Sunday. Maybe one or two. I don't probably. I'll try to get two up there, but for sure one. They'll be posted. I always do 5-day auctions. All teams obviously will be posted. And yeah, so look for those to come back. I think this is been doing these quite a bit to kind of supplement our group breaks that we do for varsity breaks on Facebook, and they're also posted up on YouTube and Breakers TV and all those good places. So thanks again, everyone, for joining. Good luck. I know it's just one box, so it'll go pretty quick, but I really appreciate everyone who got into the break, and again, as I said before, paid on time. So good. That's a hit right there. Good luck, everybody. Or not a hit, but a backwards card, so it could be a hit. All right, here we go. Michael Thomas. John Hightower. It's a rookie for the Eagles to $3.99. Got A.J. Brown. A Stephon Gilmore to $1.99 for the Patriots. Big Money Gilmore. Swift. Upside down. A blue of Chris Godwin. Seal of approval. Numbered out of 50. For the Buccaneers. And Ben and Jerry. Purchased a significant amount of these teams. Kamara for the Saints. All right. There we go. And Gilbert Brown. 008 out of 199 for the Packers. And Packer fan 17. You can get in there. All right. Bobby Wagner. And for the Packers again, authentic closed material. This is a one jersey, unnumbered, new generation of Jordan Love. It's your garden variety one color jersey. for the Packers, and Packer Fan 17. All right. Okay. That was a, Drew Lock, seal of approval. Darrell Taylor to 199 for the Seahawks. Seahawks is Granky 12. And Stars of Julian Edelman. All right, we should have 2 hits left. Our RPA and another relic. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Got Mark Andrews to 450 for the Ravens. Laviska Shenault, rookie for the Jags. I think we're coming up on the RPA. Jake Fromm. This is not the RPA. This is just a one-color New Generation jersey, just like the Love for the Bills. And Slim 188. Congratulations. All right, and the RPA must be towards the back. Looks like it's almost the last card. Ed Reed. And it's going to be T. Higgins. Close for the Bengals. Nice. 4 out of 99. T. Higgins. 3-color patch auto. Whew. Wasn't the Burrow. Pulled a Burrow exactly like this, actually, a couple breaks ago. The Bengals goes to Slim One. Congratulations. And last card is a Russell Wilson Gold Team for the Seahawks. That's it for the break, everybody. Thank you for joining. Again, I appreciate it. We'll post up more of these breaks. So keep your eyes out, keep eyes peeled for them on eBay. Also, join the Facebook group. That's where we do a lot of our random teams and PYT breaks as well. So hope to see you guys there. Thanks again, everybody. And thank you very much for paying promptly so we could get this thing started on time. I really appreciate it. Have a good one, everybody.